In this lesson, I will show you how you change from one directory to another directory and how you change the different drives from the command prompt. So let's start. So as you see here, now I am in the teaching folder. So now I'll enter to the desktop folder. So to do so, you type the command cd, and that stands for change directory. Then we type disk top. So I'll press enter and see we will change the desktop folder. So this is how you change from one directory to another directory. But if you want to go like one step back, for example here now we are now in the desktop directory. So you want to go back again to the teaching directory. So you type the same command cd followed by double dots. Then you press enter. As you see, we are one step back again to the teaching directory. So this is how you change from one directory to another directory, and this is how you go one step back. So if you want to go to the main drive, like for example now we are in the C drive in the users directory, and then we are in the teaching directory. So how if you want to go back the C drive, you can do that through the same command cd followed by /. So we'll go to the C drive. So as you see, we have went so step back to the main drive, C drive. And if you want to change from one drive to another drive, we do not type the command cd. We just directly type the name of the drive, then we press enter and it will change. For example here I want to change from the C drive to the D drive. I won't type cd then followed by D drive. It won't work. We type directly the letter of the drive followed by colon. You press enter and it will change the drive. So these are the ways to change from one directory to another directory and to change from one drive to another drive.